Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D mock-up of a phone. I think this one is what we need. Let's take a closer look at the mock-up. Looks great. Let's create a new project. This is what the default model looks like. Let's start with the part called the back glass. This is a very good material, but you can change it in the materials gallery. To this one right here, for example. Easy. Now let's change the color of the material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's customize the material a little. Like this. Let's copy this material and apply it to the camera mount glass. Let's turn the model around for more visibility and change the color of the side rim. Up next is the separators part. We will only change the color of the material. Now let's add the design to the screen to complete the image. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our iPhone mockup. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. Here on the left, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. Great. Saving our design. Let's turn the model and add another design element to the back glass. Clicking again on the Add Design button at the Design Layers panel to add one more element of our design. Now let's move the design to the right place, following the UV map. Well done. Let's change the material to make the stickers stand out. Let's select the design layer to activate it. Now let's change the material and customize it. We should add reflections as well. Now let's add some dimension to our design using the Great Bevel feature. Amazing! Let's go to the environment settings and change the HDRI map as well. This HDRI map looks great. We're done here. Let's only adjust the lighting on our object. To do that, we go to the spotlight settings and tweak them. We'll set the lighting horizontally and vertically to highlight the curves of our iPhone. Looks great. Now we need the background. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light enhances the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Saving the project. After you've completed your design, you can share it with everyone by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Share it with colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating iPhone 13 Pro design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.